We have imported Pandas package here as PD. Let's try to understand how we can actually use group by and the aggregate method. So let's begin by creating the data set first. Let's create a dictionary. Okay, so you have key value pair here for the ID. And let's take quantity as well. I just any random number 100, 200. And let's keep the step same. Let's try to have 100 more as well, just to see the behavior of duplicate data as well. And let's take the category as some simple category A, B, C. So we have 5 values. Now let's convert that one into data frame. So you call pd.dataFrame and we have passed the data. Let's just cancel this. So let's just execute and pass the data. And let's check the data in the data frame. So we have ID, quantity, and category. Let's just execute it as category frame. So it's easy. Now let's try to use the group by. So it's dot group by. So that's your frame name dot group by. And I've passed category as the column name there. And let's aggregate quantity. So you specify the sum. So let's check the result. So the quantity is summed against the category. So we have 3 distinct categories and the quantity for each unique category is summed up. Now let's check how you can actually pass multiple columns in the group by. So let's call it as count category 2, category frame. Just wrote it as form. And let's group by. The category and quantity. And let's just sum up the IDs this time. I know it that doesn't happen in real world scenario, but just for the sake of this example, let's sum up the IDs. So A100 is a unique combination we have got. B202, and for C1 we had C300 and C400. So you can see the individual numbers against each grouped category.